Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can delete customers in QuickBooks, so let's get started. First, log into your QuickBooks account and go to the Sales tab from the left-hand menu. Under Sales, click on Customers to open your customer list. Here, you will see all of your customers displayed in one place. Next, find the customer that you want to delete and click on their name to open their profile. Once you are inside the customer's profile, click on the Edit button or the gear icon, depending on your QuickBooks version. From the drop-down menu, select Delete. In some versions of QuickBooks, instead of deleting, you may only see an option to mark the customer as inactive. Choosing this option will remove the customer from your active list, while still keeping their historical data in your records. QuickBooks will then ask you to confirm your choice. Please note that if the customer has existing transactions recorded, QuickBooks will not allow a full deletion, and you will only be able to make the customer inactive. This is to ensure that your financial records remain accurate. Once you confirm, QuickBooks will delete or inactivate the customer, and they will no longer appear in your active customer list. This is a great way to keep your records neat, up-to-date, and easy to manage. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.